Yes, sir. We outside at the car meet. This shit packed as fuck. They got the DJ outside. Shit going on everywhere. We outside with Twin. Outside getting content. This shit wild as hell, bro. California scene. Shit's lit. Habibi's Hot Chicken. Where we at today? Chino, California. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We lit.
I always been a wild child. I never calm down. I can't put the fire down. Wipe my nose, I'm slimed out. Soon as you taking time out, that's when your fucking time out. Stand on that shit you did, pussy, don't be crying out. They locked me up, I had to spend 10 just to bind out. I'm a bully, flick left, bro, that's that Philly. I got chrome art on my hoodie, with a chrome inside my hoodie. We put belt to ass, act up, little bro, get your ass whooping. Bitch, don't make me mad, pull out that cutting board like we was cooking.
Beautiful C6. That's wet. He said EcoBoost. Yes, sir. Got a roof rack. Red interior. Wheels, fitment. It's on bags. Just looking good. This is wet. 10 out of 10. Fire build right here. This nigga does not know how to drive. Somebody gotta teach him how to drive. My boy should have been able to pull out in one pull out. Beautiful. Getting wild tonight. Saturday night, California car meets. Yo, boys is tripping. They put their lights on. Shit's getting crazy. Everybody kind of scattering everywhere. Shit wild out here, man. California shit, you know? Coming out, motorcycles, low-key wild. Look, helicopter right there. Got the boys chilling, just watching. Somebody's car just went loud as shit. I'm gonna see if they do it again. I don't even know what time it is, but it's low-key getting active. Y'all can hear his people in the back revving and shit. So we're gonna get y'all some videos, see what happens tonight, see where the night takes us. You got the boys right there just chilling. They're just chilling. I mean, so far it's just been revving, but I don't know. Buck 12. Bro, that play is crazy. Boys are going crazy. Oh, shit, crowded as fuck. But California meet should be going down in California. Oh yeah. Oh, Lamborghini. Got Supra on bags. Shit's clean as fuck. Got Corvette C8 right here. Sir, Lambo. Sir, them boys brought out the fur bins. Yes, sir. Boys outside tripping on a Saturday night. You got the fur bins. Yo, whose car is this, bros? That shit furry. check out his shit. A couple milli. Yes, sir. Fat old wing right here. Oh, this shit got bags. Oh, nice fuel system in the back. Yeah. Yes, sir. 101 Toyota Supra right here. Shit's wet. Beautiful engine. Very nice colorway. This is crazy. 101. Fat old turbo right there. That shit's moving. You think that shit's moving? That shit's here, there, and gone for sure. Yes, sir. 101. 101. That shit's crazy. It's Toyota Supra. 101. Shit's rare as fuck. There's people everywhere outside. Lamborghinis. Beautiful cars. Look at this. Crazy ass wrap. Yes, sir. 101 Toyota Supra right here. Shit's wet. Beautiful engine. Very nice colorway. This is crazy. 101. Fat old turbo right there. That shit's moving. You think that shit's moving? That shit's here, there, and gone for sure. Turbo. This thing is beautiful. Custom made 101. Full carbon. Look at that. Everything carbon fiber.